G'day everyone, I'm Ayden from the Off-Grid shop, and today I wanted to talk about the difference between the internal battery monitor in these Victron units and the more accurate external monitors that we use. So we have two examples here. This is the Victron Smart Shunt. So this is Victron's latest external battery monitor. This is a great unit. It has inbuilt Bluetooth into it, meaning you can check all your battery's parameters and history just from your smartphone or device. This one here is the older device. This is the BMV battery monitor. This device has all the same measurements and capabilities, however it does not have the inbuilt Bluetooth, meaning it only communicates directly with the monitoring device and the small screen that it comes with. The inbuilt battery monitor in these Victron units more makes an educated guess when it comes to the battery measurements. So it takes the measurement of how much PV energy is coming in, how much loads are being used at the time, and it tries to calculate it based on that. Now, this works most of the time. However, with really fine measurements, so really small loads or even rather large loads, when you've got more losses to take into account, this can sometimes be less accurate and it will fall out of sync with the percentage that you read as how full your battery is. So the benefit of these units here is they are what is called a shunt monitor. So a shunt can actually measure the current that is passing through it. So it's measuring the exact amount of energy that passes through that device before it reaches the battery. This is reading the exact current that's
coming in.
Yeah. So it's everything that passes through this is being read. So whereas this one, it's estimating it. It doesn't know the exact amount of current that's coming through this cable because there could be, a loss here.
And so the benefit is that you have
more accurate readings and really in-depth monitoring history. So this allows for a much more accurate data reading, and this unit also records all the measured data, both the current and voltage and the percentage of the battery, while this unit here only records the percentage. So I'd highly recommend installing one of these external shunt monitors for more accurate measurement of the state of charge and life of your battery. Now, if you'd like more information on Victron products, subscribe and like the channel, and I'll see you next time.